Imagine an IT company or small company, big company, whatever, right? They have few job opportunities, and they have a website where they want to collect applications. All right, they want to collect applications. However, they do not have the money to hire people to screen them. You know how much time goes in screening candidate resumes? A huge time. Like it's a time killer. If you have to hire for somebody, it's a huge time suck, because you are hiring somebody for $100,000 an hour. Sorry, $100 an hour or 100,000 a year. It's a huge time suck. I have created a system that based on the application. So let's see what we have. So I am a company, Fast Track AI agency. I want to hire these 3 job roles: AI prompt engineer, or AI automation expert, or voice agent specialist. Okay, these are my job requirements. I have posted it and the status is open. Now, what I want to do on my website is I want to collect forms. I want to collect resumes. All right. And what I want to do is, like, I want this RT system, resume tracking system, to go and check whether this job is open. If it is open, I want to check the candidate resume. I want to match his skills or her skills with the job requirements. Compare it. If he's a good fit, I want to say whether this good guy is a good fit or bad fit. And if this guy is a good fit, then it should say that applicant has been selected. And this is the applications who are approved or they're rejected. I want to put it over here, like candidate name, email, phone number. All of this information will be extracted from the resume and uploaded over here. Do you guys want to see it? This is an amazing system, right? All right, let's do that. So we have 4 open positions. I am going to apply for AI prompt engineer. All right, let me show you the resume that I have. Let me find out the resume. Where do we have the resume? All righty. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see this, but let me zoom it in.
Yeah, it's very small. Yeah, now it's better.
No, I'm zooming it in. Okay. I hope you guys can see it now, right?
Yeah, able to see it.
You will see it. Perfect. So my phone number, please do not call me. Or else I have everybody else's phone number. I'll put an AI agent to call everybody every day. Please don't call me. Professional summary. I'm a prompt engineer with 5 years of experience designing, deploying large language models, blah, blah, blah. I created this resume using AI Studio, Google's AI Studio. By the way, if I put this resume in market, I will get a job. So, but I'm not.
Sandeep, just sorry to disturb you. People are thinking this is your actual resume. This is not your real. This is not his real resume. This is just made for the sake of the demo.
This is not my real resume. This is not my real resume. Honestly, guys, I have started working since I passed out in 2004, and since then I have been working from 2004. My actual resume, after I added all the experiences, it became 21 pages. It became 21 pages with all the things that I have done, with all the work that I have done in this industry for 21 plus years, from India, from Ahmednagar to Pune to New Jersey. And people used to say, dude, I cannot read that resume. So I have shortened it to 2 pages, but this is a demo resume. All right. This is just catered to use to AI prompt engineer. I just wanted to show you one thing, that prompt engineer I'm doing Jan 2023 to present. And I have written a career break over here. Purposefully, I have put a 7-month gap. I just want to check whether the resume tracking system will pick this up or not. Okay. All right. Ready for the demo? This is the last demo of the day. Oh, well, from my side, Sam is still about to go. So, guys, by the way, I want to ask you, if you guys have gone to any of the AI workshops, have you seen anything like this before? Which is, in the last 2 days, whatever you guys have seen, have you guys seen anything like that? please drop me in the chat. If you guys want to see something more, that also please drop in the Q&A section. I would love to see, because all we do is like we do it for you guys. We want to demo things that you guys want to see, and that's what we are trying to see. So if you have any suggestions, opinions, anything you want to give, please give it in the Q&A section. We definitely check it out. All right. Again, over here, what am I doing is I have a form. I can put this form inside a website. Then I have a qualification system. This is an AI agent. Again, what it is doing is, you are a resume screening assistant, and this is the prompt that I was talking about. This is a different prompt. You have tools available. You have access to the candidate information which is coming through. Okay, job role. Check whether the job role, the position is open or not. Extract the information of the candidate. Okay, use the open positions tool. What is the open positions tool? Open positions tool is nothing but the open positions. It is checking this tool whether it has access. Now, this could be your CRM, this could be HubSpot, this could be your database, Superbase, you name it. It could be an HR system, it could be GHL. We can connect to anything. It is checking it over there. If the candidate is, if the candidate is good, score the candidate from 1 to 5. Most qualified is 5. And then output this information. This is the information I'm interested from the resume. What is the candidate's full name? What is his email? What is the phone number? And this is just an example. So if you remember the crispy framework yesterday, the last one, E, is expected output. So this is an E. This is the expected output that I'm giving my AI agent, that this is what I want. This is the output that I'm expecting. Now, with that said, let's do a demo. And what happens is that it goes to the HR system application. This is the applications page, which is empty right now. So I'll show you, this will get populated automatically. And it will up. It will also, what will do, the next one, based on the role and based on the candidate's thing, the difficult, what do you do once a candidate is screened? You need to come up with the questions to ask the candidate, right? If you are in HR or if you are the recruiter. This AI agent will also create questions based on the role and the resume, and it will also put it into the HR system over here. So if you see questions to ask, hold on, questions to ask, this will also give you the interview questions that you need to ask the candidate. Now imagine how much time it will save you, or how much productivity it will bring you. Plus, the system is screening it. You can make mistakes. The system will never make mistakes. You will hire good candidates, or at least you'll shortlist good candidates. How powerful is this system? Now let's do a demo. All right, not this one. This one. Execute workflow. All right, now it is asking for my name. I have everything written. I'm going to choose the CV. The CV is the same thing which I showed you earlier. We're not making this up. Job role, we are looking for prompt engineer, correct? Good, good to go. Submit. The workflow is executing. It uploaded it to my Google Drive. It extracted the information. My AI agent has already updated it based on the open positions. It uses ChatGPT 4 model. It has updated the HR application system. What did it score me? I am a score of 5 based on my resume. So if we go to the applications, now if you see this page is populated, candidate name, all this information is extracted, name, email, phone number, my role that I applied for, is the position open? Very important, yes, or else what's the point of shortlisting the candidate? Is the candidate shortlisted? Yes. What is the score of the candidate? And what are the questions that you should ask the interview questions as well? So can you describe your experience at Nova AI Solutions? Did I work it in Nova AI Solutions? Let me show you. Nova Labs, right? Nova AI Solutions. That is the first one. So it's not making it up. It's taking it from the resume and it's creating these questions on the fly. It's asking me questions based on how I contributed in reducing hallucinations in enterprise chatbots. Then second question it is asking, what motivated your 7-day break, 7-month break? It also knows that I have taken a 7-month break. It pointed out, like, why are you taking break in your career? What happened? Imagine the power of this system. If there are 1,000 candidates who applied for a job, you got them. How powerful is the system? You know what to do. Please, you know what to do. Thank you. I have one last thing to show you guys. How about we take the system one step ahead? Rather than an HR guy calling you guys, how about we create an AI agent who is going to call the candidate on their cell phone number based on this phone number and ask the questions? How many of you want to see that?
Actually, someone just asked, can we have an AI voice agent interviewer?
All right. Yeah, Arhan, man. Arhan is our community manager in AIC Plus. Welcome, Arhan. All righty. Let's do that. So I have another AI workflow. What it does is it wakes up every morning at 10 a.m. Okay. It gets the applicant information from the application sheet, which is this sheet. If there are 100 people, it will call 100 people. If there are 1,000 candidates, it will call 1,000 candidates. Okay. Yesterday, I showed you how to use retail AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Vapi. Vapi is another tool, AI voice agent that you can create. So I have created an AI voice agent, which is the HR outbound screening system. We are using ChatGPT 4.1 mini over here. Honestly, I have not tried the multimodal model. I'm going to change the model and see what happens. If you see, the customer name is not here. My N8N workflow is getting the customer name or the candidate's name from there, and it's putting it over here. And the rest of the prompt that I have given it over here, I'm going to publish this. Yesterday, what we did in retail AI, I used talk to assistant, where I used, this button where we tested it out. We don't want to do that. What we want to do is, like, we want to use AI to do this automatically. And let's do this. I really hope this works. This is the last demo that I'm going to do. Let's see what happens. This is my phone. All right, let's see. Hello.
Hi, this is Andrew from Fast Track AI Mastery.
Hi, Andrew. This is Sandeep.
Hello, Nick. Hello, Sandeep. This is your AI interview assistant calling regarding your job application. Am I speaking with Sandeep Patharkar?
Yeah, this is Sandeep Patharkar.
Great. I'll be asking you a few interview questions for the prompt engineer position. Please respond after each question. Ready?
Yes.
Question 1. Can you describe your current role at Fast Track AI Solutions and the types of prompt chains you design to reduce hallucinations in enterprise chatbots?
Yeah, at Fast Track AI, I am the co-founder with my partner Sam. And to reduce enterprise chatbot hallucination, what we do is we do use a lot of prompt injection avoidance techniques. We use different types of prompts, frameworks, and we also used A/B kind of testing. We use evaluations to check out whether our prompts are perfect or not. We use different type of LLMs to make sure that outputs are perfect. I mean, we also use RAG agents so that the output which is generated, which is great.
Thank you for that response. Question 2, what specific skills did you develop during your AI, ML coursework and certifications during your 7-month career break? And how have you applied them in your recent role?
Absolutely. So during my 7-month break, I wanted to become, I wanted to upskill myself, or I wanted to learn myself about AI. So I did a lot of research. I figured out that there are 5 to 6 pillars that I need to learn. Prompt engineering, I need to learn vibe coding, I needed to learn image generation, video generation, and I also needed to learn AI automation to become an AI expert. And that's what I spent my 7 months learning, all these tools.
Thanks for that insight. Question 3. You've worked with N8N in your current role. Can you share an example of how you integrated prompts into N8N workflows and any challenges you faced?
Absolutely. Recently, I created a resume tracking system, and I used prompting over there, where I prompted to create resume tracking systems. It also generated questions for the users, which we can showcase. So yeah, that's what I did with that.
Thank you for sharing that example. That concludes our interview questions. Thank you, Sandeep Patharkar, for your time and thoughtful responses. We will reach out to you with next steps if you are shortlisted for an in-person interview. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Sandeep. Have a wonderful day.
How cool was that? How cool was that?